here solo right now, just because we have a little treat for you. I think you're going to like this a lot because it's really, really cool. Let me just jump right into it. They like to call her Sugar Mama. What's up? Ba-da-dun-dun-dun.
Call me Sugar Mama.
She looks awesome. Great job. Why don't you do a little... Woo! That's sexy.
And I got wings. I can fly.
And hot pink type things. I'm an ad fairy.
Bad fairy.
That's right. Cheap. Still pull it off.
We got one more guest for you.
We do. And that would be Lady Bones. Step on out. Hi.
Alright. So it's
okay, sorry.
2 hours until Halloween.
It is. We're moving on in. And our cake's done.
My feet are killing me in these high heels.
Sucks for you. I've been flat. Anyways, I'll show you.
Yeah, we can't. The cake.
The cake.
I feel like I gotta go like this.
You are kind of tall.
Yeah.
Just don't whack me like that. Okay, let's go ahead and jump on in into the cake. Oh, you have feathers. Be careful. Ta-da! Kind of basic, but you know what? We like it. So
we got the kitty cat, spider, another kitty cat, another spider, and the bat, and a ghost
with 2 eyeballs that are different. And a pumpkin.
Yep.
Yes.
So that is our Halloween cake.
Yes.
And you must put that up there.
Oh gosh. I'm not the camera person. Are we good? We're good?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Okay. We're good?
Alright. Well, this is the end to our Halloween edition of Cakeatorium. And next will be someone else's birthday.
Noodlehead.
Yeah, Daddy.
So we will be back. Deuces. Until
Later.
next time.
This is Sugar Mama signing up. Ad Fairy!